Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon seller support tips and tricks. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Amazon seller support. First, always start by searching the seller support knowledge base before contacting support. Often you can find answers to common issues right there. It's a great time saver. When you do need to reach out to seller support, be specific with your request. Providing all the necessary details up front, like order IDs or ASINs, can speed up the resolution process significantly. If you're in a hurry, consider using the chat or phone options for quicker responses. Email is great for detailed inquiries, but chat and phone can often resolve issues faster. Keep an eye on the forums too. Amazon seller forums are packed with advice from other sellers, and sometimes you can find a solution to your problem from someone who's been in your shoes. When you contact seller support, be polite and professional. It goes a long way in getting the help you need. And if your issue isn't resolved, don't hesitate to ask for an escalation. Sometimes a different team or a higher level of support can make all the difference. Lastly, make sure to follow up on any open cases and keep records of your communications. This will help you keep track of your issues and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. By using these tips and tricks, you'll be able to navigate seller support more effectively and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your selling journey. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.